Alright, this is going to be a short little video about two really important things that I've come to notice with these trucks. The first one is I'm on the hood of my 1970 C50 here, and I took the cowl off of it because she was full of garbage, just absolutely full. It was gonna cause a problem. I don't want this truck to rust out. It's really important to me. The truck's a very rust-free truck. It has like a little tiny bit on like the lower like seals for the doors, and that's it. But as you can see, we had to get it all nice and cleaned out in here. A little bit of and stuff, but that doesn't matter. That's from it sitting a couple days with the cowl off because I got sidetracked. But another important part is the wiper motor on this when I got it was taken apart for some reason. And so I ordered one on Amazon a year ago, and I shoved it in the hole because it was leaking through the wiper motor hole. And so I just shoved that in there and called it good because I wasn't really worried about driving the truck with the wipers at all. And then while I had the cowl off today, I was like, oh, let me hook up the wipers. And then I was trying to put the wipers together, and it was like, man, something ain't right here. They're all binding up and everything. Well, and then I was like, oh, look what else I have to see what's going on. So I went over there, and after looking back and forth a couple times, I realized that I needed a piece. So I went to my also important thing to have with these trucks, your little stash of parts. Here's the guy I needed, just the little wiper arm buddy here. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought for some reason like the shaft from the wiper motor like oscillated or something, but no, it spins in one place, and then this is what oscillates them. So this guy's gonna go in here, like however it is, wherever the motor's homed, I'm not quite sure, but something right about like that with the wipers on it. And that shows how important it is to have other trucks and to clean out your cowls, because if you don't clean out your cowls, your trucks will rust out. Take your cowl apart once a year rule. That's what I do. Look at this one. Yeah, perfectly clean cowl. I haven't touched that cowl in like a year, but that's just because I clean it out, and every time I wash the truck, I make sure to wash some of the stuff out of there. And let's not forget that I live in the worst environment to have these old trucks in, literally the woods. And so, like, just clean them. You have to take these apart to clean them. You getting in there with a hose is not enough. Take it apart. The C50s don't have ideal drainage because they're work trucks. Just clean them, please. It pains me. Another thing you can do if you don't have a truck to go off of, go down the street, go across town. You see a truck just like yours, go up to the old person driving it, whoever it is, whatever Jim, Bob, Susie, Lou it is, and say, hey, I'm restoring one of these. I don't know what this is. I can't find pictures of it. Can I look at your truck? Can I take a picture? Can you explain this to me? 9 times out of 10, they're gonna say yes, unless they woke up on the wrong side of their backyard because their ex-wife took their house and kicked them out and they're all mad. Whatever. 99% of the time, they're gonna help you out. So just ask. And the forums are great. I don't really like them because forums, but just ask. And that's my rant for the day. Trucks that have been sitting in this thing for a while. Super muddy. I sank my C50 over here the other day. It's turning out just fine. Bent my tractor exhaust, so I gotta fix that. It's a lovely day.